Do you use Milwaukee PACKOUT for work? Do you have a tonneau cover on your truck or work out of the trunk of your car or out of maybe a station wagon? Well, today we have a solution for you because I know you're all tired of waiting for Milwaukee Tool to come out with their new low-profile handle. And we have a solution that will solve the problem of getting this PACKOUT into your trunk at a fraction of the cost of that Milwaukee low-profile handle. And it's coming right up after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Want to help out with the channel? Head on over to the merch store where you can get hats, hoodies, t-shirts. Link will be in the description below. Neat Tools. It's a family-owned company. They seem to be great people, very responsive if there's ever an issue with the products like we've maybe had in the past. They already had a solution for this. Some of you might have found it clunky. I think that it was a pretty doggone solution for one of the first people to come up with something to solve that problem. They've improved on that solution and they sent it over to us. So we want to install it in this box. It's probably fairly easy, but you know, everything looks easy on paper, so let's do this together. You and me together again. So here they are. If you wanted to follow along with the tutorial, you can use that little QR code, I suppose, and scan it. It looks like almost everything is included except for a 7/32 drill bit is going to be required, and you're going to need some type of drill driver, impact driver to make the operation complete. Let's get started. To complete the operation, you're definitely going to need some type of drill or drill driver. I'm going to go impact driver. We got to start off by removing these two Phillips screws. Then the handle comes out. You put this aside for a minute. Take out your Phillips bit. Then we're gonna pop in our 7/32 bit. We're gonna enlarge these holes. So you have an existing holes from where you remove the screws. We're gonna enlarge those holes. Pretty simple. Next step is to put in two stopper screws using the included Allen keys, which is pretty nice that they've included these. One less tool you're required to supply. And if you're wondering which screw goes in next, it'd be this one. This is the part that might get a little tricky, so make sure you pay extra special attention here. We're going to reinsert our handle. All right, so we're dropped down. Pretty cool. We're gonna fully extend our handle all the way up. We're then going to use our alignment tool. On the right side handle, you're going to drill through the R, or right side hole, with your 7/32 drill bit. You're going to drill through the red plastic, and the reason you have to make sure that this handle is fully inserted and fully extended is because you're going to also drill through the metal as well. One side of the metal. So when you break through, you stop. Don't drill through to the other side and bury the drill bit through the PACKOUT box, okay? Once you've done that, we're gonna repeat on this side using the left hole. At this point, we're going to remove our handle again. Okay. Now that our holes are drilled. Okay. I just want to illustrate. We drilled through the first side, not both sides of the handle. So once you go through this part of the tube, you stop. Okay. We're going to move on to step 4 here, but I have to apologize. I made an immense error, and I can't take it back. If you're already at this point and you didn't have the stuff I said you were going to need to complete this procedure, you're going to have to run back out and get yourself a 5/32 drill bit. Can you forgive me? Please leave it down in the comment section below if you do. If you hate me, you could just say, I hate you, Vince, down in the comments if you hate me. Let's get back to the install. We now have our 5/32 drill bit in place. We're gonna put our drill guide in place. We're gonna drill out all 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 of our drill guide. We're gonna repeat on the left side. All right, now we're gonna put our latches in place. You can see here that it's pinned for the left side. So that would go here. Conversely, this is pinned for the right side. So this will go here. Now, here's the important part. Each corner gets a screw. Do not over tighten these. The only thing holding these screws in is the very strong Milwaukee plastique. You've been warned. If you decide to use anything other than this Allen key, you're doing it at your own risk. Also, be mindful of things that you should do at your own risk. I don't know, maybe install this kit at your own risk. If your PACKOUT has a warranty, I don't know, maybe installing this kit could void that. I'm not responsible for it. If you install this kit, it's at your own risk. I don't know exactly what would break that you'd actually put in for warranty, except for maybe the wheels. But they actually resolved the wheel issue in this video over here. You can go and check it out. We talk about the improvements that have been made. We repeat the process here on the other side. Do not use anything other than the supplied Allen wrench. You're doing that at your own risk. I am what some may call an expert. Now we're going to set these latches up in place. Reinstall our handle, push down. Whoa! It's locked in place. No fiddling around with it. Look at it. Lift it up, out, look at that, down, lock it down. Boom! That's real nice. Oh my God, where did that come from? I will agree, this system is pretty doggone slick. Neat did a really thorough job of thinking this one through and putting it together. Kit's $40, okay? And it works well for everybody that has existing PACKOUT. This is the deal. Milwaukee claims they're coming out with a new rolling box that includes a low profile handle that's at 19.5 inches high. Reality is, if you use Neat's solution, you're at 16 inches. The other thing is, like I said, this is 40 bucks. The PACKOUT removable handle, if you wanted to just buy the handle and retrofit your old boxes somehow, I don't know how they're gonna do it, that actually costs $60. So, Leave it all below. Will you be checking out these quick releases from Neat? I put a link down in the description for you to do it. I'll take you right to it. Let us know down below. Or you're gonna be waiting for Milwaukee to deliver on their promise of 2024. That could be February, that could be December 31st. Who knows? With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. I hope to see you all on the next one. Is that English? Z? When they say Z? Z next one. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.